Hi friends, it's a beautiful day to be alive. Today I have something so very special and yummy to share with you all. I've been wanting to share this since January. So life has been super duper busy. I've been saying it in all of my videos. I just feel like I cannot keep up. I am just now getting to it, and it's better late than never. I put this basket together right before the new year, last week of December, with the intention to make sure that I am taking time out for self-care, which is to me one of the most important gifts we can give to ourselves, especially as crafters, because we're always pouring out into others. And then there's life of being a wife, there's a career, and then if you're a mom, your children, and the list goes on. So what I did was I put together a basket for myself, and I'm going to show you what the inspiration was. This was the creation. I put together this little cubby filled with all the things I love, and it was my happy place. And that's what this is. This is like a little personal happy place. And it's a reminder for me. I don't know if you hear my neighbor's dog. I have on a mic because the dog is going so crazy, ballistic right now. Hopefully you don't hear it, friends. But I put this together so that I am so intentional about self-care. This year, more than ever, one of my biggest goals, personal goals for myself, was to be as intentional as I can be in my life, in every area, in my spiritual life, in my marital life, in my career, in fitness, in self-care. And so this is where the self-care part comes in. So let me show you what I have in here, and I hope it will inspire you. I think every woman should have this in their life. So back in 2021, I made this self-care journal. It's falling apart, friends. It's a no self-care journal, and it has different sections. I will show you all. I will give you all a flip through of this maybe after this video, and I'll post it after this video because I think it will inspire you. So I made this self-care journal, and it's been a while since I've played in it. Oh my gosh, it's so much. It's chock full of goodness. And so I made sure to put that in there. And then I found this at TJ Maxx back in December. It's a cooling gel eye mask. As you can see, I have not opened it because I have been busy. And I also wanted to wait before I touched everything, until I did this video. And look how long it took me. Hubby got me this eye mask like a few years ago, and it's a really, really good quality, expensive one. It's like, it's really like cushiony. So I put that in there. I have used it, but if I want to take a nap during the day on like an off day, I can just use this. I have all of my favorite masks, which I swear by. I have not had time to use these, friends, to take care of my skin. So I want to take some time, watch the movies, throw on a mask, and just like, a little pampering time to put underneath my eyes while I'm using these. This is a brand new box of tea. I put a box of tea in there, and it's to remind me to take some time out for tea. You all know, if you've been on this channel forever, I love my tea time. I love my cozy time. It's really important to me, but this year started off with a bang, and it's been really busy. So I'm going to be slowing down. I am going to open this box because this box is specifically for my self-care time. So I am going to be making some tea, which makes me so happy. Okay, this is going to show you how long ago I made this. I bought this back in December. It was cold, so I bought these very cozy socks. So of course you can update this little self-care basket for yourself according to the seasons. So I am going to set this aside, and this will be for like the cozy weather, like autumn and Christmas, which I cannot wait. So this is going to be put to the side. I also had bought this blanket, but I will use it because we keep the air on in our home. And while I'm watching movies and stuff, I can like cozy up in this blanket and drink my tea. I also have a candle. That's a part of like my pampering sessions. Tea, candle, cozy blanket. And I put my favorite mug. It says enjoy today. And I also put the little doily. I have a whole bunch of these that I use during tea time. And so I can just put it down. So I put it in there. This is just to be intentional, friends, like super duper intentional. So I bought this book a year ago. It's a woman's devotional and it's Finding Peace in a Busy Life. And it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous. I've only used it once. I used it like almost a year ago on the channel. I was drinking tea, having cozy time, and I was reading this, and that's the last time I touched it. So I want to grab my basket, grab my devotional, make my tea, light my candle. Oh my gosh, I can't reiterate it enough. Okay, so have you all heard of Bella Grace? If you have not heard of Bella Grace, please give yourself the gift. It's a magazine and also comes with a field guide. And let me tell you, it is the best magazine you can find out there. And friends, they're not cheap. They're like 20 bucks a pop, but they are so amazing. But the reason why I'm telling you the price is to say I am obsessed with them. They come out like once every 4 months, and I grab one once every 4 months. And let me tell you, I don't have the time. I have yet to sit down to read one this year. So I said all that to say I will no longer be spending money buying them. I will catch up on the ones that I have. But for me to do that, just so I could do it and be very intentional about doing it, I put it in the basket because on my self-care day, my self-care time, I will be reading and filling out the field guide. It is absolutely beautiful. And then I purchased this Somerset Studio. This was like maybe like a year and a half ago. And it's supposed to be amazing, crafty stuff, friends. I have yet to look inside of it. That just comes to show you how life is just like so busy, 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 that a lot of times even the things that makes us happy and brings us joy, we do not take the time out for it. So I want to actually flip through this magazine, find some inspiration. Maybe we can, speaking of inspiration, I just saw something. Wow, we can make some stuff from this. Read my magazine, read my devotional. Okay, friends, don't laugh. I am a big kid, friends. I put some bubbles in there. I want to go outside in the sun, and I threw that in there like maybe 3 weeks ago. I said, oh, it's nice outside. I can go and blow some bubbles. That would make me so happy. And again, something I put in back in December, hot cocoa. I threw in some hot cocoa. But like I said, I will be updating this according to the seasons. When December comes around or autumn, I'll be putting some pumpkin spice tea or whatever. So I really wanted to share this with you all. And I really, really hope from the bottom of my heart that it inspires you, because I think now more than ever, it's so important to take personal time, to breathe, to give yourself a mental vacation. I just want to sit, enjoy my tea, enjoy my magazine or my devotional, play in my self-care journal, which I cannot wait to share with you. I think it will really inspire you, friends. And throw on an eye mask, a cooling eye mask, and just relax. It is so important. We are so busy, busy, busy. We have to get busy taking care of ourselves. So please comment below. Let me know if this inspired you in any way. This would actually make a beautiful gift for a special woman in your life. Your mom, your sister, your best friend. And it comes together very inexpensively. It's not an expensive thing to put together. Oh, I forgot. I also have another devotionals called Reflections, The Woman God Sees. So I just threw a few of them in there because I have them and I don't use them. And then I put in this chicken soup inspirational word find, something to challenge my brain while I'm having my self-care time. I've never done one of these. I'd like to sit down and actually do one. They have quotes. It's absolutely amazing. And then, the Dollar Tree has all these prayer cards if I just want to grab one to read. Just make it as fun as possible. It's yours. Fill it up. The only thing missing in here for me is chocolate. This one has chocolate. I keep candy in this one. I will give you all a first look at what's in my happy place sometime soon. And then I have this headband, of course, to put around my head so when I have the face mask on. But I think this is so important. Please comment below if this absolutely inspired you. If you'll be putting together one for yourself, please do. I want to challenge you all to do so and to show it. I would love to see your self care goodie basket and tag me at me and let me know what you're putting in yours because you might inspire me. So friends, I hope you take some time out for self-care, self-reflection, for relaxation because it's so important. Taking care of ourselves is the most important things we can do because if we pour into ourselves, we have so much more to pour out onto others. And that's it. I hope you have a juicy, amazing day knowing that you are loved, you matter. Please make your life a masterpiece. Until next time, bye!